Thank you. Given a night watch. How my friends everyone. Special. After a long time we are meeting. So my friends doing with their exams, studies. So students says besides studies and exam, we can ask anything. Is it so? Nothing. We should not ask. Festival functions. Because every teacher has the same question, na? That how was the performance? Oh, very good, wonderful work. Good health. ये हम लोग नहीं पूछेंगे. We'll say how many are behind you. That is a good question. Because every time बच्चा अच्छा मार्क्स करता है, फिर हम बोलते हैं नहीं इससे भी अच्छा लिखता है. हम लोग हैं very good. कितने लोग आपके पीछे? ये कौन सा वाला पीछे? पढ़ाई वाला पीछे है ना? पक्का ना? लड़की ने क्या पढ़ा? पूरा छोटा पीछे. अरे पढ़ाई में. So since it is a long gap, sorry, you guide me, not guide me. Tell me the last topic that I've left with you guys. Topic, chapter. No, history is now you got a new teacher. No, the chapter that I've left or completed, because geography and economics would be. Everyone knows? Clear? Absolutely. You were saying something, I don't know. मैं जब अंदर बोल रहा था ना हमारा मिल गया है क्या क्या अच्छा तुम जरा या फिर जरा तू बीच में आ जाना ये तेरे से कॉल है तुम क्यों जाके उसके पीछे बैठा है मिडिल में आ उससे भी टॉल तरह व्हाट उसके साइड में अभी बोल नो चैप्टर अच्छा न्यू चैप्टर which is that so did I teach that पक्का हो गया ना इधर तो any chapter did I give in between before I which chapter no एक मिनट what I was doing that is the question class में आपको मैथ को करवाया था और डिलीवरी पर्ची थी आपको होने के बाद आपके ऑफिस में आके चेक कराने को ये ठीक है तो you want me to start with climate complete absolutely anyone have any issues मैं करेंगी मैं सर poverty मैं करेंगी but वैसा वाला करेंगी ठीक है हम लोग climate start करेंगे poverty of soil will do चलिए तो और अच्छा है ना पास कर देगा एक मिनट देखो जो ज्यादा डिलीट है उसको फास्ट करेंगे और जो ज्यादा टाइम है उसको टाइम देके करेंगे विल डू ना बिकॉज़ आई हैव ओनली वन लेक्चर विद यू टुडे और टू लेक्चर्स so what I will do try to finish the climate it's a very interesting and a short chapter as you say then poverty थोड़ा lengthy है ना so that will take more time देखो look at the problem from different side which problem studying problem or teaching problem दोनों problem है So write down the chapter called climate, correct? Yeah, because in poverty, except some few concepts, that chapter doesn't have so much of bite of explanation. Okay. Then Manish. So what we are going to do, we'll start with climate and then we'll go ahead with, we'll do, check it. Don't open any textbook notebook, sit, relax, free. I will make you to do today without book, without a notebook study. Happy? That's wonderful. Why I am doing this? Because now we want our intelligent students to study without anything. What does that anything means? Without the brains. Everyone have a brain? Confirm? Save it as quickly as possible. Ask me why. I'll tell you a little bit emotional reason, but I'll tell you this. Not I don't want to. because now we understand the importance of brain because a small complications to my mother and changed in ICU. अभी मुझे मालूम पड़ता है कि ब्रेन का हम जो सर दर्द ये बोलते हैं व्हाट इज द बिग ट्रबल लास्ट 1 वीक बट अभी स्टेबल है ऑलवेज दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर हेल्थ द स्मॉल डैमेज कैन बी अ बिग कॉज फॉर द ट्रबल so let us take the brain by how तो लड़का बोलेगा don't eat my brain ठीक है ना thank you let's proceed. So why I'm saying let out the book now, this is a very interesting chapter which I can teach you exactly on the board. Only you have to listen. Will you listen? Happy? Or you want to save the years also? Okay? No need to save the years. Okay. So the chapter word is climate. The first thing that I have to do, I will be teaching you the difference between two important concepts. I can say very good. Let me put the word weather. You know the meaning of the word weather? Then I have to make it different from climate. Correct? So this is the first thing. Shall I write everything on the board? Then we'll discuss one by one. Okay. So after this, what we have to do after climate and weather, we have to go factors affecting climate. Check कर अच्छा आप लोग के पास बुक में है ना ऐसे ही बैठिए. Factors affecting climate. So I'll write C, correct? And make it circle. And the third, so I'll say this is our first heading that I have to discuss. This is the second heading that I have to discuss. And the third heading is what? I think this every student loves it because here we get maximum holidays. What is that? Good. Monsoon, मतलब क्या है? What is monsoon in Hindi? बारिश. वो तो मुंबई या हिंदी हो गया. वाह, वर्षा ऋतु. कौन है वर्षा? Correct. So that is monsoon and monsoon mechanism. Then here only it's a subtopic. This is 2. I'll say this is 3. So I'll say this is A and this is B. Correct? So it is onset. Am I correct? Yes. With the onset of monsoon. Onset of monsoon. What is onset? Other word? Can I use the word arrival? Same? Okay. Where did you hear this word every time when you travel? Arrival and departure? During a climate? Which flight? Chennai, Madurai, Madras, Delhi? Airplane. Okay. It is not aeroplane? Airports. That's airports also. That's absolutely right. Then the last and the most important, which normally I discuss first, but let us put it in order. I say the seasons. So now you have to fix this in your, sorry to use the word brain. What is that brain? The first topic that I'll be discussing, come on everyone. Second topic. Third topic. And B topic. Onset of monsoon, arrival, withdrawal. And the last one, you tell me out of this, which you want me to explain first. Pakka. Anybody who can give me expert idea, sir, I can explain the room.
Sir, weather is like.
Weather.
Sorry, weather is that happens only in a specific place. For example, Khargas. Climate means that like happens all over
So
the country.
very good. She's saying it is a smaller area. Can I write like that? A smaller area. Very good. This is a larger area. Which area? जो हम लोग टेक्स्ट में बी स्क्वायर क्यूबिक स्क्वायर पढ़ते हैं वो एरिया है. हाँ. Very good. Oh, I'm getting all the answer. This is day to day. Day to day, na? Or day to day. Average. Are you sure? पक्का. अरे बाकी लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट करो क्या हो गया आज हमारा सिंगल जैसे चुपचाप. Okay. Thank you. Wonderful. I'm happy. कोई बोलती नहीं है जल्दी. So we can say this is for a period of minimum period of 30 or 35 years continuous observing. I'll tell you. We'll get the one by one word. Correct? और क्या? Come on, I forgot your name. Sanika. Come on, Sanika. What is this? इतना ही है? Anything else? Okay. She's a thinking girl. हमारा क्लास का ऑल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. नहीं सोचो सोचो बहुत जरूरी. इसी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं ना? हाँ. Yes. Bench छोटा है क्या? And the bench is smaller. You are very attached to her. बेचारी है ना तो जगह तो दो. Good, good. Now, I thought benches become small, or you become large. Hard ones. Okay? So we always believe for you and me, we have a difference between the two words. But when you listen to a news channel, later you don't listen. Correct. But I keep listening. मेरे लिए एक ही entertainment है, no entertainment. She absolutely. Even you watch me in 5 minutes break also, I'll be watching news channel on. तो क्या message? Knowledge. वाह मेरा दोस्त ऐसा बोल रहे ये लड़के बंदे पागल हो न्यूज़ देखते हैं. So we always believe when the news channel comes to the end, correct? News channel end नहीं होता, bulletin end होता है. तो बोलते हैं today's weather forecast. Correct? Or anytime the lady says today's climate forecast. Pakka. Never she says weather. Sorry, climate. She always says weather only. So as somebody told, it is day to day, absolutely right. And she also told it is smaller area. She wanted only Kargil. Kargil se baar jagah weather nahi hai. I understand. Whichever area you locate. And this is larger area. I say it is climate of India. Correct? As a weather of, let us go a little bit bigger, Mumbai. Correct? Or since we are living in Navi Mumbai, we'll say Navi Mumbai. And somebody told me, sir, what is this 35 years? And hardly 12 or 13. And aap bolte 35 years kaise? Why is it so long to observe? Or do you have the patience to observe for 35 years? It's like a beautiful, not a beautiful, very delicious cake in front of you. And you have promised next 1 hour I will only look at the cake. I will not even touch. Neither I will taste. And you?
The next minute the cake disappears.
कैसे? अच्छा तुम्हारा भाई
That actually happens.
तो पहले बोल देने का कि this is reserved और खा मत. इसमें वो डाला है जो खाते तू बाथरूम के अंदर ही बैठेगा.
अगर कोई टप करके रखेगा.
हाँ, तो उसको बोल देने का. If you eat, there is a one specific substance that you will not come out of the bathroom for next 2 days. तो बेचारा टेंशन में रहेगा. नहीं वो छोटे बच्चों के लिए. मैं खाएगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. तुम खा लो. Correct. So why I'm saying, do you have the patience to wait for 35 years? No, no. But why did they give 35 years then? Not one. Why do we wait for 35 years? Just a second. Madam Beauty. Why we have to wait for 35 years? The next question. जब से बच्ची आई है एवरेज ही बोली. If I say observe the climate today, the tomorrow climate changes. I say today's India climate is gloomy, not promising. Will you accept? Yes, sir. It's correct. Check karo. Open karo. Open that cut a little bit. Let us have a news presenter today. Correct? Let us bring my Sindola here. Come. अरे आओ तो सही मैं बताऊं. तो she's एक मिनट ही तो रुकना है. So today we have a news forecaster, beautiful looking girl. God bless her. Okay. So we are going to read the today's climate. So we say today's weather. Am I correct? हाँ मैं लिखता हूँ आप बोलिए. ठीक है. And camera is rolling as soon as see आप लोग इधर लो. So Navi Mumbai. Correct. Not much correct. And what is the date today? 13th of October. Don't worry. So first, जो window पहला खोला बोल कैसा आज का weather? अरे देख के बोला मुझे थोड़ी weather दिख रहा है. Gloomy, correct? Then we can देखिए read करना है. Then light showers. Am I correct? And I can say scatter. Scatter है हर जगह गिर नहीं है ना? Temperature. अभी अपने पास Google ओपन नहीं करेगा. Let's say 23 degree है ना? इतना ही पूछ रहे. अभी you train है. और कुछ बोलना है? तो ज्यादा बोलने रखूं. She will be presenting today's weather forecast. Anji? Cloudy. Very good. Light showers. Okay, silly. Come on. You read and make a practice and make a sort of present. Come on. We will never forget what is flying, है ना? तो फिर इंतजार present करने का भी. और आपको ये निकालना पड़ेगा. क्यों? हाँ, 2 मिनट के लिए. अच्छा. जल्दी जल्दी करो.
Today's weather of Navi Mumbai Harbor, 13th October 2020.
इसको सुना रहे.
2020.
अरे थोड़ा सा.
Gloomy, light showered, cloudy and scattered, and the temperature is 23 degrees.
Wonderful. Let us have a clap for that. Okay. Let's have a thanks from any other person want to. You will be presenting. I think this girl will do it. Yeah. Sanika will do. Because she does the ramp walk in a better way. Other, let us put her. Lucky. Weather in black condition. Otherwise, and look at the audience and speak. Okay. So we'll give a more on the notes. Right? Check. Shampoo pattern. The way you are telling the something. Say cheese and make a picture. I'll let you Sachi. What am I betting?
Today's weather by Harbor, 13th October 2022. Gloomy, light showers, cloudy.
The audience को eye to eye. और तो देखेगा तो हम लोग कैसे देखेगा? Hi, this is me. Your name. I'm going to present to you. I mean, many good. So that you can correct next time. नीचे रखो. I'll show you that. ये देखिए. Wait, when I say 1, 2, 3, how do you present? देखो मैं लिखने की तरह मैं try करता हूँ. Okay, so I am Raji. Rajman. Yeah. ठीक है थोड़ा सा ये पहना तो भी नहीं कर देगा ठीक है थोड़ा सा नेम थोड़ा सा Hi, this is Raji Rajmani presenting you the climate. Sorry, weather. Cut it. Hi, this is Raji. Cut. अरे एक काम करेंगे पहले लाइन मैडम को लेंगे है ना फिर मैं बोलूंगा फिर हम लोग टेक पे जाएंगे करेक्ट एकदम साइलेंट लुकिंग एट द ऑडियंस एकदम स्टार्ट ऑफ
They will be presenting today's weather in Navi Mumbai Harbor, October 13th, 2022. And it's cloudy, scattered, light shower, and the temperature is 20 degrees.
Wonderful. Cut it. Thank you. God bless you. Good. अभी समझा क्या समझा मेरे से अच्छा प्रेजेंट हो सकती है क्योंकि उसका एक्टिंग में मैं नहीं था सो नाउ यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड वेदर समझा ऑल थैंक्स टू राही एंड दिया क्या दिया कुछ भी तो नहीं you said diya now festival coming that day where is it that's it you recorded pakka record hua let's see then we
Help us.
मैं आज को देखूंगा just one let's have some more take करेंगे ना this is auto rotate Let the next weather forecast should be read by her. है ना वीडियो रिकॉर्ड बदला अरे इसमें क्या है इसका रिकॉर्डिंग स्क्रीन कैसा है
इसमें ऐसा
बैठ
ये तो है
It's good, isn't it? इसका मेरा और हाँ ठीक है so why I'm saying now at least for the next 1 year weather weather तो नहीं भूले correct now let me pull you to the word the weather means smaller geographical area why smaller because if I say weather it should be not a very large area then it should become a climate I cannot say weather of India I will say climate of India. Now nobody answered me why 30 to 35 years because if I observe it for 1 year, the next year there might be variations. What are variations? Changes, differences. So if I observe you for next 35 years, then I can say, oh, this girl is like this boy is like that. Because मैंने तुमको कितना साल observe किया है? अब तुरंत बोला, बस 2 lecture के लिए है, तो 35 years Understood. So if I am observing India's weather for how many years? 35 years, that weather will become, that is understandable कि ऐसे ही रहेगा, minor changes रहेगा. So that is the reason I have to give climate how many a number of years? 35 years. अभी समझ में आया?
Sir, like plants can also affect the weather, climate, right?
Plants only with that reducing the temperature. So if I say either weather or climate, as she said, it is temperature. Everybody knows. Humidity. What is humidity? Is a water vapor. Water vapor present in the atmosphere. Good, good. ये तो इधर बोल लेंगे climate के साथ. She doesn't know. So then we always believe what else? We'll say the wind. As she was saying, that's a windy नहीं बोला. It's windy. Direction of the wind. Correct. Northeast. If I say directions in climate, आपका portion नहीं है, but let us study the word. This is. इधर कौन east बोला?
Sorry, sir.
No, that's okay. No people say sorry. What is this? पक्का east north नहीं है? अच्छा. This one, southwest. Correct. And let us have the other side. This is confirm. This is. किसी ने मुझे बोला सर ऐसे लिखिएगा तो क्या करें मतलब कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता ईस्ट साउथ that doesn't sound good okay we say it is south east so how many direction all together you can can give me 4 में और 8 directions और the 8 direction में मेरे सामने कोई नहीं रुक सकता है तो किसी ने मुझे क्यों बोला ना मैं 9th direction में रुका हुआ है तो 9th direction किधर है Correct. So we always believe the wind is the direction. Humid, how is humidity? How is the temperature? Correct. How is that climate? I don't know, in India, very few people appreciate the climate. Anytime you have appreciated? Very good. Yeah, sorry. अच्छा क्या करता तू फार्मिंग करता है ये छोटा मन क्या very good. What is it? Growing 2 crops, only 2. Good crops, very good. So we always believe I say weather only for a smaller geographical area. I say climate for larger geographical area. I say weather, it's only day-to-day changes in atmosphere, temperature, humidity, wind direction. Do we take sunrise and sunset also? Importance नहीं है, सभी भी आता है कभी भी सोचा. That is most important. देखो जब आप Google में weather खोलता है, sunrise से लेके temperature से लेके पूरा दिखाता है ना, chances of precipitation. So we always believe weather is a smaller concept and climate is a larger concept. This is a very narrow concept. This is a wider concept. I'm giving a distinguish. Notes nothing to do. We'll just see. So anyone have more queries for weather and climate? So we always say weather of Mumbai, weather of Navi Mumbai, climate of India, climate of America, climate of the world. Is all the difference absolutely clear? Still anybody have any query? No, let us see. Global world is it okay? Still anybody have any queries here? I will give the notes and make you to write over the second each. Why? Okay, 35 years is the long duration because observing, I said observing it for such long years, when you make predictions, you understand the meaning of our predictions? Which predictions? Weather predictions, correct? Will be more accurate. What is accurate? क्योंकि मैं एक साल observe किया और बोल दिया कि इंडिया का climate monsoon है, तो दूसरा साल और कुछ हो सकता है. But observer, geographers might have observed for at least minimum. Then we say climate of India is monsoonal climate. So what is the climate of India? It is monsoonal. What type of monsoonal? Tropical monsoonal climate. समझ में आया? Absolutely clear. Let us go to the second part.
बोल रहे हैं कि climate
बताया आप बोल रहे हैं कि लाइक क्लाइमेट को कनेक्ट इंडिया का क्लाइमेट क्या है ऐसे मिनिमम 35 इयर्स का एक ऑब्जर्वेशन होना चाहिए लेकिन उतने क्लाइमेट का एक साल में
You better talk in English, is it? South Indians and Hindi is a 36 का आंकड़ा.
मैं हिंदी मैंने बात किया तो मैं चाहता
English ऐसे.
आपने तमिल और बोला साउथ इंडियन
English. तो South Indians not only Tamil Indian, है ना मलयाली भी Tamil South Indians है. सबसे मलयाली North Indian हो गया. हाँ बोलो. You forgot South Indian meaning South Indian. I'll tell you. What did I say? Because what is your question? Okay, one is latitude, other is altitude, correct? No, I'm not joking. I don't take it seriously. You come to our mother tongue, which is called as English. हमारा mother tongue कब से English हुआ? जब से इंग्लैंड हमारा मदरलैंड हो गया. हुआ क्या? हुआ? जाने दो सर, वो इकोनॉमी हमसे भी अभी पीछे, हमको लेकिन चाहिए, ठीक है नहीं? Distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. And next is ocean currents, correct? Ocean. And why I forgot your name. What's your name, dear? Purna, is it? When you're not fluent with that language, if you want to make it fluent, right? Let us take a public opinion. How many say Purna is fluent in English? Everyone. How many says? How many say she's fluent in Tamil? Tamil is your mother tongue, is it? Telugu, only she. We don't know Telugu as well. And how many say she's fluent in Hindi as well? She's saying Aisa. Maybe. Why I'm saying? Because our medium of instruction is English. That's okay. Now let us understand factors affecting sea. What is sea? What is sea? This sea.
Oh,
Sea, salt water. Absolutely, lecture में घुस गया है बच्चा. Okay, so ठीक है, it is my mistake. What is sea? तो से वही बोलेंगे. Okay, say what is sea? Absolutely, no salt water. Okay, the first factor which affects is latitude. Who can tell me the word latitude? When we have drawn the globe, we have shown you the latitude like this. Am I correct? So what are these three lines? वो तो मुझे भी मालूम है क्या है latitude. Let me put it. सब भूल गया globe का. Come on. This is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn. I say this is equator, correct? And this is Tropic of Cancer. And this is Tropic of, correct? Okay. And then I say North Pole and South. I'll say LP and SP. What is SP? Okay. Shri Krishna Prasarak Mandi, the college that I studied, established in 1836. The building the Mandli zone college is a brand new college. Okay. So let us understand the word latitude. So when I'm saying India is located somewhat in the north, somewhat in the east, it is hot but not humid. It is tropical monsoonal climate. I say places located here, frigid, cold. Am I correct? Places located here, very, very hot. Correct? We have ये सब क्यों बोलता है? Because the latitude affects the climate. Normally, sun is from east to west or west to east. ये पहला वो बोलता है डूबता है फिर निकलता है. East to west. And Earth rotates in which direction? East to west. पक्का. Wait. हम दोनों सर्कस आ रहा है तो फिर हम दोनों पैटर्न बदल के क्या करें? Okay, good. East to west. So normally we say sun rotates from west to east, not east to west. Earth. I'm so sorry. So we always believe when sunlight are maximum here. Are you understanding? Maximum here, the temperature is generally hot. Here, temperatures are like this. The sunlight. Here, the sunlight doesn't reaches. So the climate that I've shown for all the three dots is based on oblique. No sunlight reaches to the North Pole, no sunlight reaches to the South Pole. Frigid cold. So hot because it gets direct rays of the sun. Direct concentrated rays of the sun. Torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Yeah, yes, sir. So it's all based on. See that. Absolutely clear. Anybody have a doubt? What is altitude? Which height? You come and stand that height, and then height above longitude. Altitude means height above sea level. The Himalayas, average altitude of Himalayas, close to 2,000 up till 8,000 feet. Uska jo foothills are 2,000 hai. 2,000 is also very huge. And which is the largest peak in the world, tallest peak in the world? Mount Everest. How much it is? 18. 18,000 का कोई नहीं आएगा. 8,000. Wonderful. You're absolutely wrong. ये थोड़ा आगे जाए और आगे. I always remember like this. 8848. Come on. 8848. क्या है ये? Phone number. What is it? MSL बोलना पड़ेगा. What is MSL stands for? Mean height above sea level. So when I'm saying altitude is very high, the temperatures are generally low. When altitude is very low, the temperatures are generally high. Are you understanding? Very good. She is putting me the question. Why? Why? Because when sun heats the earth's surface, it heats the surface of the earth first. And heat radiates. You know what it radiate? धरती से heat से ऊपर spread होगा. तो spread हुआ. है ना? So normally you go to Lonavala and Khandala during winter, and here normally we have a bike riders club which I normally join and go for long rides. Lonavala Khandala is like a piece of cake for us. Nothing. We go 400-500 kilometers on one stretch, and if it is mountain and hilly area, all are in different directions. कोई खाई के अंदर, कोई खाई के ऊपर, कोई टायर के ऊपर. I'm in a 2-wheel club. Is that a 4-wheel club? So we always believe higher is the altitude, lower is the temperature. Come on, say. And lower is the altitude. सब लोग lower is the altitude. Absolutely. Why? इसमें पूछा rightly. Rightly ना? Rightly. And I've told the reason because when the sunlight reaches, it reaches the bottom of the earth first. And radiation. If you remember earlier diagrams, आप लोग सब बोल क्या रहेगा? आप लोग का school diagrams. ये sun है और ये earth है. अभी जैसे इस radiation को मैं ऐसा डालेगा, it reflects here. इस radiation को इधर डालेगा, it reflects here. This radiation को ऐसा डालेगा, it reflects here. So this area will heat first. Why? Because this is how the land gets heated. Land gets heated. So normally when the land is heated first, if your area is located away from the land surface, the temperature will be less. Thank you. And then if your place is located here, your temperature will be high. So come on everyone, higher is the altitude. Lower is the altitude. Absolutely got the reason. No doubt at all. Absolutely. Purna. Then let us have the word pressure and winds. People say, हमारे ऊपर तो मम्मी का pressure है, टीचर के ऊपर पढ़ाने का pressure है, और मेरे ऊपर सोने का pressure. But ये कौन सा pressure है नया? Which pressure are we talking about? Wonderful, Sadika. It is atmospheric pressure. If I ask you, do you feel it? You get affected, but you don't get affected. Look at the line. Either clarity is an disturbed. How good it looks. That's the tension with the. So next time you present good, very good. Confident? So next lecture.
We can do one. Sorry.
What's it?
I'm sorry.
Who you are doing it? Turn 10 minutes.
You
Turn.
said that you were like.
I am saying Purna is much better in presentation than her. Will you do it? So let us give it her a chance. And you can take the.
Next, you told her she was like kind of nervous, so she will do it again.
Okay, okay. I feel even you are also nervous. ठीक है, एक ही नर्व को ठीक करने का, बाकी नर्व को ठीक करने की नहीं. आगे बोलेगा मुझे छोड़ने में. So let us. Why namaskar she is doing? बोले मेरा नाम मत लो. Atmospheric pressure means every cubic centimeter there is I don't know how many millibars of atmospheric pressure. Many students told me, sir, why you are not flying? Huh? What does it mean? Because gravitational pull is there. Along with the gravitational pull, there is atmospheric pressure also. Atmospheric pressure, correct. So when the atmospheric pressure is high, the wind direction will be diverted or a little bit more diverted. When there is less atmospheric pressure, the wind will be slow. It will not be very gazey because it's windy here. So if there is strong winds coming, it will blow even the clouds. You know what is the clouds? It can take away the clouds. When there is small or slow pace of the wind, it will not influence your area of climate or weather. Understood? You have to actually atmospheric pressure का अर्थ का diagram रहेगा तो उसमें ज़्यादा explain करूँगा. I cannot draw that. If you remember, वो भी उससे बता सकता हूँ मैं. ऐसा है. ऐसा wind direction दिया रहेगा, फिर ऐसा दिया रहेगा, फिर इधर का wind direction ऐसा जाएगा, इधर का wind direction ऐसा जाएगा. So atmospheric pressure affects the setting up of winds. Is it okay? Next, we use the word distance from the sea. So I can give you two examples. One place is Delhi. What is the?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
The words
Wait.
below the distance from the
Distance from the sea, na? Sorry. So Delhi and Mumbai. Now you tell me which climate is better. Delhi climate is better. Oh, you like it? No way. Okay. Now wait. So we said Delhi is extreme climate, correct? And Mumbai is moderate climate. What's the difference between extreme and moderate? But extreme summer क्या है?
It is very hot.
Is it very hot in summer? Very cold in winter. Good answer.
what period of time? It's a longer period of time.
So she's absolutely right. Sanika is saying the Delhi the winters are extremely, I can say, cold. Am I correct? And summers are extremely hot. I use the word extremely. And how about moderate? We can say cool climate. Am I correct? And we can say not very hot, okay, moderate hot. I mean, who can tell me क्या difference है दिल्ली और मुंबई के बीच में जो ऐसा moderate और extreme हो जाता है? Next presentation मिलेगा. Boys, आप लोग क्या है? कुछ तो अरे यार आंसर करो. हाँ, yes sir. C is closer to Mumbai, not Mumbai is closer to C. Oh my God. अभी छोड़ेगा तो C is closer to my window भी बोलेगा. Window is closer to the other. Absolutely right. Correct. So we say Delhi is a landlocked place. What is landlocked place? Oh, I suggested yes, good. But it's surrounded by what? Land. Whereas Mumbai, as she is saying, closer to sea, which sea is closer to Mumbai? Arabian Sea. So what? I am tired of looking at girls. Where are my boys? Hey, bolo. Yes. She's our BBC radio. Bolo. British broadcasting nahi. Good. Want to say something quickly? Bolo. She wanted to say, then she forgets. So we always believe Mumbai is closer to the sea, as they were saying. आप लोग भी answer दो जरा. हाँ, ये तो at least crop का cultivation कुछ बोल रहा था. Okay, we have this land breeze and sea breeze. Yes, she knows it. What is it? What the fast? Then action I say चलता है. The Indians are very good with the hand gesture, huh? But you see the Britishers are Indians and this that's why I think heart with that it's less than that. And now my good friend, Purna.
Is having extreme climate weather and is good or bad?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Like it also affects the nature also. Is it good or
हमको nature से कोई पता नहीं है. सिर्फ घर के अंदर AC on किया, window बंद किया बस AC इनका. She's absolutely right. It affects both human being as well as the nature. She's absolutely right. So I say that during daytime we have land breeze. During nighttime we have sea breeze. So during nighttime, if the temperature of Mumbai is very high, sea breeze is cooling. During daytime, if the temperature is very high, this land temperature will get into water. Correct. So the imbalance in the temperature makes Mumbai a moderate climate. Whereas Delhi, कुछ लोग मेरे friends है दिल्ली दिल वालों की, मतलब मुंबई किडनी वालों की, हैं? तो तू हमेशा दिल्ली दिल वालों की ये हमसे क्या जो भी आता है बोल दे. So we say Delhi is extreme climate because it is landlocked, no land breeze, no sea breeze. देखो मैं हाथ भी आगे कर रहा हूँ, land breeze and sea breeze. So it is moderating the temperature, whereas no moderation is done in Delhi. There is a wind called LOO. What do we call it? Loo. Have you heard about what it is? Hot, dry, dusty wind, which blows where? In Delhi area, mainly Delhi north side, not western, not Rajasthan, so basically hot and western. Correct. So this is our distance from the sea. Absolutely. And what are ocean currents? The movement of the water between the oceans affecting the nearby region. And that is waves, tides, here currents. You were saying something. I want you to answer. ये भी आंसर नहीं किया और ये भी आंसर नहीं. तो अनुमान बोलता है ऐसा बोलेगा नहीं सर आज नहीं ये कल था. So we नहीं है ना आंसर बोलो. Silent revolution. Because I don't really need to English. There are some people you don't know. I have dialed them 10 times in a day. Nikala, बोले ये क्या मैं एक दिन बोले सॉरी यार कल है ना मामूल तो बोले मुझे कैसे मालूम तो बोलेगा जब मैंने टेक्स्ट डाला था नीचे. So we always believe these ocean currents are nothing but they influence the both climate and weather. Have you heard about cyclone and anti-cyclone? Not anti until cyclone आता है doesn't happen. So it happens only जब बेचारे white में रहते तो anti-cyclone नहीं करते. Actually that's why the Oxford people say it is not anti, it's anti. Because they change the pronunciation then and there only. It's like if the bacha says maths. No, it is math. If you want to say maths, then you have to say mathematics. फिर मैंने पूछा ऐसा क्या ऑक्सफोर्ड वाले ने बोला मैथ्स मतलब ये है. यार कुछ भी पिछले 15 साल से मैं मैथ कर रहा यही आता है एंड फिर बोलते मैथ. So they say even ocean currents have a bigger influence over the climate. Either it brings in cyclone, or what is it? And it's okay, math, or anti-cyclone. Is it okay? So both the ocean currents, there are two types of ocean currents. One is warm ocean currents and other is cold ocean currents. 9th ICC mein hai. Like Labrador is a cold ocean current. Labrador current. Dog nahi because that comes from that place. उसका नाम उसी से पड़ा Labrador dog. There is one Siberian husky. But always हमारा बिल्डिंग के नीचे घूमता है. ये साइबेरिया कैसे होता है? उधर नहीं सर वो कॉकटेल इंडियन का भी और उसका भी मिला के आया है तो कभी इधर कभी उधर जाता है. So we always believe ocean currents. These are all the points absolutely clear. So come on everyone. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and fifth one. Absolutely clear. So this kind of teaching is absolutely good. मैंने थोड़ा सा explain किया. Atmospheric pressure rises, the winds increase. Atmospheric decreases, the winds moves in a different. वो मैं करूँगा, पर वो monsoon में करूँगा. तो ज़्यादा detail में सुनो. So let us take a break of 5 minutes. Ocean currents influence the setting up of cyclone and anti-cyclone. Or if it is a warm ocean current or a cold ocean current.